Good morning to everyone. I welcome you all class 4 maths. Yes, students, we already continued this lesson. So, continuation of this lesson. So, it's going on here, that is fractions and decimals. Yes, you already learned about the fractions. Yes. So, what is mean by fractions? So, how to write fractions? What we can call the fractions in a first denominator and another one is numerator. Yes. So, what is mean by a fraction? Fraction is the equal parts of the whole objects. Yes. So this is we can call as a fraction. Yes. So numerator and also that is the denominator. Yes. What is mean by numerator? Numerator means the which part is shaded in the whole object. Yes. That we can call a numerator. And so how many parts are there? So which are the parts are there in the whole object, that we can call as a denominator. Yes, so we will already learnt about the fractions. Yes, today we will know about decimals. Okay, so here see students. So first we are going as decimals. Okay. Yes, so here they can be given here. So take for example one sheet we will be take here. Okay, this is one sheet. So in this one sheet, so divide the square into a 10 equal parts. Okay, so 10 equal parts we will be share 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 equal parts we did in a one sheet. Okay, so in this sheet one part will be shaded. Okay, so this part we will be shade. So in the 10 parts one part we will be shade. So here, and this is written as, how to written in the fraction form here? So 1 is shaded. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 is shaded. How many parts are there? 10 parts. Okay. So this is we can call as a fraction form. Okay. So this is we will be write in the another form, that is in a decimal form. Okay. So how to we write in the decimal form? So this method we can call as, so this is the writing of decimal method, so that we can call as a decimal system. Okay, so I'll write here, see here students. So first what we will write here, so we can call as a numerator and this one we can call as a decimal. Yes, yes. So first we will be write numerator. Okay, and after we will see how many zeros are there. Yes, how many zeros are there here? 1 0. It means we'll give a 1 point. This point we will call as a decimal point. Yes, after we'll write a 0. Okay, so after we will write a 0. Understood this one? So we read as, how we will read? 0.1. So this we can call as a decimal system. Understood students? How to write here? See, in the 10 equal parts, one part is shaded. We write in the form of fraction. So this fraction we will be write in the decimal system. So how to write? First we will be write numerator and observe the zeros. How many zeros are there here? Okay, so only 1 zeros are there. No, we'll give a one number after, it means one digit after we'll give a point. This point we can call as a decimal point. After we write a 0. Okay, understood this one? This one read as a 0.1. Yes. Okay, so here in this method, in the here, so if it is 100 parts are there in a square. Okay, so many parts we can write as 100 parts are there in a, so 100 parts are there in a square. So in 100 parts only one part is shaded. Only one part is shaded. Okay, another one example it is. Okay, only one is shaded. Yes, so here these all are hundreds. So only one is shaded. So we write in the fraction 1 by 100. Yes, so only one is shaded. So these all are parts in the whole object. Hundreds are there. So this we can call as a numerator and a decimal. Understood? Yes. So we write these 1 by 100. It means this fraction in the decimal system. So how do we write in the decimal system? Yes. First we'll write a numerator in the right side. Okay. So first how to write here? So we come from here right to left side. Decimal system will write here, come from right to left. Okay. So after numerator, see how many points are there. So how many zeros are there here? 2 zeros are there. So I'll write 1 0 here and see 1 digit, 2 digits. Okay, 2 digits are there. 0 0, 2 zeros are there. No. So here we'll take 2 digits. After give a point. That point is a decimal point. After we'll write another 0. So 0.01. See here, unit 10, 100 like it is. Okay. So 0.01 we read this one. And yes students, these values, that is left side values are having the place value. Okay. But in right side values are, it does not having any place value. So how to read this one means 0.01. If it is, we will write as 2.11. So we'll write here. See here. How to read this one? 2.11. Or as, see this one. How to read this one? So how to read this one? 12.01. Yes, students, after point right side digits will read separately. Don't read here like here. See. Yes, this one. If it is, we are given this one 12.13. So don't read 13, that is the wrong method. 12. So we read a left side point, left side numbers will read 12 only. After point numbers, it means right side numbers 12.13. This is the reading method. Okay. If it is 3, 4 are there, 12.45. 12 point, that not reading as a, so 10.14. Yes, don't read 14. Okay, 11.23. Yes, so these object will read here 2, 3, 4 like it is. Okay, but in the left side we will be read 11 point, 10 point, 12 point like it is. But in the right side of the points, decimal point will read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like it will be read. Okay, understood this one? Okay. So and here, next another one example they can be given. Yes, we'll see another one example. Okay, so take one rectangle. Okay, so one rectangle they can be taken as one line of rectangle here. So in this here, so how many parts are there? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, in these 10, only one part is shaded. Yes, only one part is shaded. Yes. So here in the fraction we will be write as 1 by 10. Yes. This is the fraction in numerator and denominator. First we will be write in the decimal point 1. After 1, only 1 0 is there here. So we give a point after 0. So it's read as a 0.1. Understood this one? Yes. So if it is 2 points, if it is 2 parts are shaded in the equal parts, in the 10 parts, so we will write as 2 by 10. Okay, 2 by 10. Yes, so how to write this one? First we'll write numerator. Yes, then next see the zeros, how many are there? Only 1 0 is there. So give a decimal point. Okay, so next one write 0. So we can call this one 0.2. Okay, if it is 23 is there, so for example I'll tell here 23 by 10 is there. How to write this one? 23 by 10. So first we will be write here 23. Okay, yes, first we will be write 23. See the zeros, how many zeros are? Only one zero is there. So after one digit will give a point. This one will read as a 2.3. Understood this one? Yes. If it is 23 by 100 is there. Yes, 23 by 100 is there. So how to write in the decimal form? Yes, first we will be write as a 23. That is the numerator. First we will write. After, see how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So 2 after 2 numbers give a point and write a 0. It means 0.23. Understood this one? Yes, so these are the example for here. So how to write a decimals? Okay, so next one they can be given here, one of the circle they can given. So in that circle how many parts are shaded? So one circle. Okay, in this circle totally how many parts are there here? We'll see. Yes. Okay, so totally how many parts? We'll see how many are there. We'll count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally how many are there here? 8 are there. So we'll add another 2, 6, 7. Totally we'll do 10 parts. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, so totally how many parts are there here? 10 parts. What they can be given here? First question, how many parts are shaded? So here only one part they shade, that is a part 1. Only one they can be shaded. So totally only one part is shaded. Okay, next question, in fraction it is written as, how to write in a fraction form? So we write in a fraction form, 1 is shaded. Total parts how many are there in the circle? 10. 1 by 10. Yes. Okay, next one, in decimals 1 by 10 is written as, how to write in decimal form? First we'll write numerator. Yes, so after, see the zeros how many are there? Only one is there. So one digit after we give a decimal point and write 0. So this is right as a read as 0.1. Okay, understood this one? Yes, so in a word form write as 0.1. Yes, in the word form. So reading and also writing. So another one example they can be given here. So this circle only, so they shaded the 2 parts. Yes, they shaded the 2 parts. Yes, so here how to write this one in a fraction form? 2 by 10. Yes, if it is shaded the 2 part, 2 by 10. So we write in a decimal form. First we'll write a numerator. Observe the zeros, 1 is there, so one digit after give a point and write 2, 0. Okay, 0.2. Okay, so this one write as 0.2. Understood this one? Okay, so next one, if it is 3 parts are shaded in the circle. So 3 parts are shaded in the circle. So we write as 3 by 10. Okay, in the decimal form 3 0, see how many? 1, after 1 digit write the 0, 0.3. Understood this one? How to write and read. Okay, so here we can understanding what we can understanding. So how to write the decimal form. So okay, let us learn how to represent the decimals on a number line. Yes, how to represent on a number line. See this which ones in the scale we will be see here. Okay. Yes, we'll take a number line. So in this number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like. Okay. So here in between of 1 and 2 there are 10 lines by measurements. See the scale. See Nima? Scale. So it means in that scale, okay, that is here in that ruler, we can call that one, that in that ruler 1 and 2 in between how many lines are there? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So totally there are 10 lines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So totally 10 lines are there in between 1 and 2. Yes. So this is the one number line 0 to 1 is written show in the next one. See how to write here. So in this bit means here if it is a 0 is there. Okay, 0 is there, here also 10 lines. Okay, so we write as 10 lines. No, here 1 by 10. Yes, we'll write in the decimal form 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Yes, so like here 2.2 by 10, 3 by 10. Yes, so we will be write as in a decimal form. Okay, understood this one? Okay. So here, next one, we are going as, they can be given here. So the chart they can given here. One chart, I'll draw here. See, that chart will write. That is first they mention here fractions. Okay. Fraction, numerator, denominator, decimal form. Okay, so here first one example they can given here 1 by 10, second one 2 by 10, third one 3 by 10, fourth one 1 by 100, fifth one 2 by 100. Okay, so they can given here. Yes, so in this fraction, so which is the numerator and this is the denominator. First we will write a numerator. Here 1 is numerator, here 2 is numerator, 3 is numerator, 1 is numerator and 2 is numerator. So these all are numerator. Yes, so and here see the denominator. Here 10 is denominator and here also 10, second one 10 is denominator, third one 10 and fourth one, see here fourth one 100, fourth one 100, fifth one 100. So these all are denominator and these all are numerator. Yes, in the decimal form. So how to write in the decimal form? 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.01, fourth one, fifth one 0.02. So like we will be write decimal form. So fractions, numerator, denominator and decimal form. Understood? This is the chart of here. Which one? In the decimal form also we will be see here, decimal fractions also we will be see here, numerator and denominator also we will see here. Okay. So in a number, if there is a decimal point, it is called as a decimal number. So these numbers we will be called as a decimal numbers. Okay. And so decimal is another form of expressing fractions. So this fraction we will be writing in the form of decimal. So it is a decimal number is another form of fraction. Okay. Yes. So next one, decimal means the denominator in a fraction is 10, 100 and 1000, so on, 10,000, like it is go on. Okay, the decimal numbers. Okay, understood this one? Yes. So next one, so we are going to exercise 9.3. okay, see the exercise 9.3. yes, I hope you understood about the decimal number, how to write from a fraction to decimal form. Okay, yes, see the exercise 9.3. okay, so here they can be given here, read the next decimals given below and write them in a word form. Okay, so read and write. First one they can given here decimal form 0.2. so how to write 0.2 and how to write in a word form 0.2. okay, this is the reading method. Next one 0.5, 0.5. okay, third one 0.7, 0.7. okay, like fourth one 0.21, 0.21. yes, writing form also see here 21. okay, reading. Next one 0.02, 0.02. okay, next one sixth one 0.15, 0.15. yes, this is a decimal numbers reading and writing in the word form. Understood this one? This is the first main. yes, second main, what they can be given here? Second main, write the decimal, they can be given in a word form, we will write in a numbers. okay, so decimal form, first one 0.3, 0.3. okay, so we will write 0.3. okay, second one 0.6. okay, 0.6 writing form. okay, next one 0.7. okay, 0.7. fourth one 0.4, 0.4. fifth one 0.05. okay, 0.05. understood this one? So they can given here word form, we will be write decimals. okay, in the numbers. So next main, that is write the next fractions in a decimal. So they can be given here fraction form, so we write decimals. okay, first one 1/10. yes, how to write 1/10 in a decimal? First we'll write numerator and see the zeros how many are there. So after one digit give a point, then write a 0, 0.1. okay, next one 2/10. yes, write first 2, see the zeros, 1 is there, after one digit give the point 0, 0.2. okay, next one 3/10. first write numerator 3, see the zeros, one digit after only one zero is there, so one digit after give the point, that is the decimal point, write the 0, 0.3. 3. Okay, next one, fourth one, 5 by 10. Okay, see here, numerator 5, first you write, see the zeros, 1, after 1 digit will give the point and write the 0, 0.5. Fifth one, 2 by 100. Okay, so here see, first write the 2. How many zeros are there here? 2. It means we'll write the 2 digits. 2 digits. Over no 2 digits. 0, 2, 1, 0. 2 digits. After give the points, write 0. 0.02. Okay. Next one. That is 6th. 5 by 100. Okay. First write the 5. See the zeros. 2 zeros. 1 digit. 2 digit. After 2 digits, give the point and write 0. 0.05. Yes, understood this one? Yes, so this lesson is now completed. Understood? So this is the 9th lesson. That is the first semester is completed. Okay. So I hope you understood all 9 lessons. Okay. Tomorrow we'll start. That is the second sem, that is the part 2. Okay, that is the first one part over, that is the second one part will start tomorrow. So thank you for watching.